Comedian Raju Srivastav passed away today, that is on 21st September, at the age of 58. Considered one of India's best stand-up comedian, Raju Srivastav suffered a massive heart attack while working out in the gym on 10th August this year and was struggling since. The entire nation is mourning the death of the legendary stand-up comedian Raju Srivastav, the man who brought a drastic change in the Indian stand-up comedy industry. Inspired by him, the entire new generation of Indian stand-up comics took over the entertainment industry by storm. As soon as the news of Raju's death broke, politicians and celebrities took to their social media handles to mourn the demise of the popular comedian. Filmmaker Madhur Bhandarkar took to Twitter and expressed grief on the comedian's demise, saddened to hear the tragic news of Raju Srivastav's untimely demise. He made us all laugh with his amazing comic timing. For so many years, we have lost a gem. My deepest condolences to his family members and admirers. Director Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri, famed for the success of the Kashmir Files, left a heartfelt note for the fallen legend. He wrote, "You were a true legend of stand-up comedy."
अभी अभी बहुत ही दुखद समाचार मिला है कि हास्य के लेजेंड और हमारे हीरो, मेरे दोस्त, भाई और भारत में सबके चहेते राजू श्रीवास्तव, उनका निधन हो गया है। ये मैं व्यक्त भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ अपनी भावनाओं को, क्योंकि भारत में जिसको आज हम स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी बोलते हैं, एक हास्य का पूरा जो एक दौर है, वो राजू श्रीवास्तव ने अकेले अपने कंधे पे लेके उसको चले। ही वॉज अ ट्रू लेजेंड। बहुत जल्दी चले गए राजू श्रीवास्तव। बहुत लोगों को हंसाना बाकी था, पर मैं यही कहूँगा कि ऐसा कोई सगा या पराया नहीं जिसको राजू श्रीवास्तव ने हंसाया नहीं। मेरी उम्मीद है वो जहाँ भी जाएं दुनिया में, स्वर्ग में जाके लोगों को हंसाएं, देवताओं को हंसाएं। मैं उनकी आत्मा की शांति की प्रार्थना करता हूँ। उनके परिवार के साथ मेरी प्रार्थना है, ईश्वर उनको मनोबल दे। ओम शांति।
Shekhar Suman, the man who judged Srivastav's comedy show, The Great Indian Laughter Challenge, also tweeted remembering the great comedian. Shekhar Suman wrote, "Raju was the funniest man alive. We will all miss him forever. I had the privilege and honor of judging him on many shows, including the Great Indian Laughter Challenge that catapulted him to unimaginable heights. He was unique and inimitable. Long live Raju." Comedian Bharti Singh also expressed grief on the comedian's death. She wrote, "Shocked and broken with the news of our favorite Raju Srivastav ji. My heartfelt condolences to his family. R.I.P. Raju Srivastav." Anupam Kher posted a video on Twitter and recalled some of his memorable moments with the late comedian.
राजू श्रीवास्तव के निधन का सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ, मन विचलित हुआ, उदास हुआ, एक चुप्पी सी छा गई है मुझ में, वातावरण में। बहुत अच्छे कॉमिक एक्टर तो वो थे ही, बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे, बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे और बड़े दया भाव रखते थे। किसी के बारे में बुरा नहीं बोलते थे। जब भी मिलते थे गर्मजोशी से मिलते थे, तपाक से मिलते थे, गले लगकर मिलते थे, खुशी से मिलते थे और हंसाते थे।
Ashok Pandit wrote, "Spoke to Raju Srivastav's family. He is no more. Passed away half an hour ago. A great loss to the industry. Our heartfelt condolences to his family and near ones. We will never forget you." Singer Kailash Kher also expressed his grief on the demise of the ace comedian. He wrote, "Our family friend and elder brother Raju Srivastav ji. The news of his death is very painful. May God bless the departed soul. Give the family strength to cope. Eternal prayer. Namo Shanti."
अनेक प्रार्थनाओं के बाद, अनेक अनुष्ठान और यज्ञों के बाद भी राजू श्रीवास्तव, हमारे पारिवारिक मित्र और बड़े भाई, अब इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे और उनका देहावसान हो गया है। सभी जगत के लोगों को मैं नमन करता हूँ प्रार्थनाओं के लिए।
A familiar face in the entertainment industry since the 1980s, the comedian tasted unparalleled success after participating in the first season of the reality stand-up comedy show, The Great Indian Laughter Challenge. Raju Srivastav suffered a heart attack on August 10th while working out at a hotel gym. He was rushed to AIIMS and underwent angioplasty. Since then, he was on the ventilator and never gained consciousness.